got to be, at the moment, my favorite place to fly. It's a little bit more sheltered from the wind, but check out these lines and the trees. And then not only that, we have some really cool obstacles. And when you're learning as well, there's no these big branches sticking out to the side, so it loads of little ones unless I go high. Now, there is a risk, obviously, of losing the drone and getting it stuck in the tree if I go too high, but I'm just staying low, practicing that manual flying. And there's one line I've been trying to get, so I'm going to fly over my car and then through this bit and then through my legs and then through there. That's the plan. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, so first attempt, we're going to go over the car, down here. Just got to be careful I don't go too fast. Through there. You can see me leaning over to the side. Okay, that's not... Okay. First attempt failed. It's coming in sideways. I need to try and keep straight all the time and keep the speed as low as possible. Normal mode. There again. Let's try again. Over the car. A bit slower. Yeah, this obviously isn't smooth. But somehow we made that. Now I'm getting this. Look at this. Can you see that? I think I've damaged the gimbal on the camera, and I'm getting that funky stuff, and then it just doesn't fly right. Now it's going all over the place. Okay. I just totally lost where it was. I can hear it. Now I can press C1, which I've set up to beep. I think it went over that way. There it is. So obviously that helps to find it. I don't have a memory card in my goggles, which is stupid, because that will also help me. I found a couple of times where it hasn't recorded onto the internal storage, even though I know I've been recording, and having that backup or having the goggles is really cool. And you can also see the last bit of crash or wherever you've landed to help you find the drone. But so the issue I've got at the moment, I think, because I've crashed it a couple of times, is this gimbal has taken a bashing and it doesn't set itself, and then it gets all jittery, and then when it gets jittery it just doesn't fly right. In manual it actually isn't so bad. I think when it's trying to use this in the normal or sport mode, it gets all angry and it just doesn't land, which is not good, which is what just happened there. So I think I need to keep it in manual, land it and turn the motors off if that happens. Now I'm hoping that has... Yeah, see, gimbal motor overloaded is the message I'm getting on the screen. So I just wiggle it around. Obviously, that's not the best thing. Now it's back again. So it must be just like coming out of position and then not liking it. Okay, I didn't actually go out the thing I wanted to, but there we go. That's the first successful-ish run of that. Okay, let's around. It's way windier than when I came the other day, which obviously makes it a bit more challenging. But this wind side on is really affecting this, and I'm also going for something that I'm not skilled enough for yet, which doesn't help. Oh, that would have been so much better. So I tried earlier today. This is the footage where I was looping around trees. Now this was really good. There was no wind whatsoever, and I felt I'd done the best like loops around trees that I've done yet, or loops around anything. Sort of try and stay still, try and stay level. So I was pretty pleased with that. I thought this would be okay as well. My confidence felt really good after doing those. Okay, so there's some people over in the car park, so I can't do that flyby now, but what I'm going to try and do now is try and play with the angle of the camera and fly as fast as I can down there. Let's put it back into normal, have a look at what the gimbal's set at. So the more angle I have, the steeper it's going to be. So let's set it to 24, see how that goes. My goal is to try and fly as fast as I can, as low as I can, as straight as I can. Let's see what happens. Oh, no. That didn't work. That's a long way down there. That's obviously the risk of flying super low to the ground. See if we can find it again. Make it beep. There she is. Aircraft processor overheated. What does that mean? Okay, so we're good to go. This is so much fun going down here. Okay, let's turn her around. Wee. That wind is something else. Right, that's probably the best one yet. Oh, that one was pretty good as well. Whoa, that was fucking close. So apart from the gimbal misbehaving, I think that was pretty good. I'm definitely getting more and more confident with the manual. The wind does mess me up a little bit. Normal deal. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any advice, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.